In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shortcut of a Google Drive folder or document on your home screen for easy access. This can save you time, helping you quickly reach your important files or folders straight from your home screen without the need to open Google Drive every single time. Whether you're accessing important work documents, school materials, or personal files, having quick and easy access can make a huge difference. So let's dive into the process and learn how you can set it up. To start off, make sure your device is ready and you have the Google Drive app installed. This method works on most Android devices, and while options might slightly vary depending on the brand and version of your phone, the core steps remain consistent. First, you'll want to open the Google Drive app on your device. Look through your files and navigate to the folder or document that you wish to create a shortcut for. Once you've located the desired file or folder, tap on the three dots next to its name to reveal the options menu. Here, you'll see a list of various actions you can take. Look for the option that says Add to Home Screen. It might seem straightforward, but for those new to using this feature, it's quite an impressive function. By tapping on this option, Google Drive gives you the ability to place a shortcut directly on your home screen. After you tap Add to Home Screen, your device may present you with a confirmation prompt. Confirm your choice, and voila! The shortcut is now right there on your home screen. You can tap on it anytime you need instant access to that particular file or folder. It's almost like having a direct tunnel to your most vital documents and folders, streamlining your workflow in just a couple of steps. For those who are organizational enthusiasts, you can repeat this process with several of your most used files or folders, essentially customizing your workspace to suit your daily routines and needs. Here's a pro tip. You might want to organize these shortcuts in a dedicated folder on your home screen. This keeps your phone tidy while ensuring essential shortcuts remain easily accessible. This feature is a game changer for boosting productivity and enhancing convenience. When every second counts in our fast-paced lives, cutting down on effort and time spent accessing information can lead to stress reduction and an increase in everyday efficiency. I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Google Drive experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Do subscribe to our channel for more handy tips and tricks. Feel free to leave any questions you might have in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring new ways to streamline your digital life.